Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a business owner, a content creator, or an online entrepreneur, then this video is definitely for you. Today, we're diving into the world of social media design, why it's absolutely crucial for your brand, and how you can get premium quality designs easily and affordably. In today's fast-paced digital world, just posting content isn't enough. Think about it. If your design isn't attractive, people will scroll right past your post in a matter of seconds. A professional social media design does so much more than just look pretty. It helps you grab attention instantly, build brand trust, seriously increase your engagement, grow your followers, and even boost your sales. Whether you're on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, your design is the face of your brand. But here's the problem. Not everyone is a graphic designer. And let's be real, hiring a full-time designer can be incredibly expensive. So, what's the solution? Well, that's where Fiverr comes in. On Fiverr, you can find thousands of professional social media designers who create high-quality Instagram post designs, eye-catching Facebook and Pinterest graphics, and custom designs that are perfectly aligned with your branding. They create modern, clean, and high-converting visuals that make you stand out. And the best part? You can choose a designer that fits your specific budget, and you can see their reviews and experience right on their profile. To make it super easy for you, I've added a trusted Fiverr link in the video description below. Using that link, you can easily find top-rated social media design services that I recommend. So, if you want your brand to look more professional, get better engagement on social media, and have premium designs without breaking the bank, then you need to check this out. Click the Fiverr link in the description right now, and hire the perfect designer for your business. It's a total game. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.